In this video, I will show you how Syncrify can maintain multiple versions of every file in your backups while drastically saving you disk space. With the versioning feature, we can control how many versions or changes of a file we maintain. This is entirely customizable and can be tailored to your business needs. A good example of how versioning saves you space is with email backups. As you can see here, I have a 1 GB PSD file that I have previously backed up. Now that I have a newer copy of that file with more data, I will run a backup again to see how versioning comes into play. Now that it's backed up, let's look at the repository. As we can see here, we have a new file that is only a fraction of the size of the original file. In a traditional backup, if we wanted to maintain 2 versions, we would need the full size of both files. However, with Syncrify, we only needed the size of the change in data. Not only has this feature helped save storage space, but it is also saved on bandwidth, as it only needed to transfer 3 megabytes rather than 1 gigabyte over the internet. To learn more about Syncrify and its versioning feature, check out our knowledge base on our website, and if you have any questions or sales-related inquiries, please reach out to us at support@synametrics.com or sales@synametrics.com respectively.